My hair has been blue since September 2018, and every 2 or 3 months I always re-dye my hair and put blue in it because my natural hair color grows in and I don't actually like how it looks with the blue. This is the hair dye that I used to get my hair this color. I used about 3, 4, or 5 bottles of the dye depending on how much hair I had at the time. So the first thing we did is we did a deep cleanse for the hair so we could wash out everything that's inside the hair. You can do any kind of deep cleansing. You can look up different methods online on how to do that. Here's us struggling with the bleach. And this is the first coat of bleach. If you have a lot of hair, I recommend having someone else help you out. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Salome, for assisting me in this transition to getting blonde dreadlocks. And you gotta make sure you soak this bleach in there. After putting all the bleach in, you're gonna look like an alien. That's right, you're gonna cover your hair up with this tin foil because it traps the heat inside. It'll make the bleaching process way more efficient than normal. And this is the outcome of the first set of bleach. As you can tell, there's still some blue sections in my hair, so we're gonna have to go ahead and do another layer of bleach. These up close shots, you can really tell that there are some sections of blue visible. So we go ahead and do the process all over again. Bleach number 2. This time we did a TikTok live video while doing it, so we had some entertainment while we were putting this bleach in. I didn't end up getting a lot of footage of that process, but you can tell with the second batch of bleach, it looks a whole lot better. It's a little bit more silver/gray. So in order to match the color up with my roots, which are really blonde due to the bleaching, we go ahead and we put the blonde color into my hair. We do the same thing. We let that sit for a long time. I let it sit for about 40 to 45 minutes, and then afterwards, this is what it looks like at the end. Do I recommend going from one color to another? If you want to, you can, but you'll have to put some work in it. You want to make sure you get a blonde color that'll look nice. I hope this video helped explain the process of dyeing dreadlocks. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay hydrated, gamers.